All right, guys, Kyle, I Talk TMS back with you. Different type of episode today. Normally, I strictly talk about TMS because that's what this channel is about. But today I wanted to talk about testosterone, TRT, and the benefits of adding that to your life. It's been a long journey, 4 years since I started TMS. During that, I'm pretty sure when I started, I had like zero testosterone in my body. I really didn't care what was in my body at that time. But through this process, through this journey, I have come to know the benefits of many things. And testosterone is probably the biggest one and the most important one, in my opinion. I started doing push-ups, right? And riding my bike in the morning. That's how I started this fitness journey. And early on, I saw this product. I'm not affiliated with this product. I make no money by saying any of this, but I just want to give you, the real version. I found Test Boost Max. I think I probably saw them on like TikTok, Instagram, something like that. But what the guy was saying was interesting to me enough where I clicked the button, I bought the supplement, I started taking the supplement. And it wasn't an immediate result. It was nothing like that. But I continued to take it. And eventually I did notice that there was a benefit and I liked it. Well, I kept taking this vitamin, right? Fast forward till about 8 months ago where that vitamin had ran out. And I'd canceled the subscription because I had bottles and bottles piled up in the vitamin cabinet. And I was like, maybe my wife, cancel that because we're just paying for it for nothing. Well, I kept taking it when I would remember. And eventually it did run out. I took my blood I ran my blood probably like 2 years ago, and I had an account of an 1100. And the doctor was asking me, like, what do you do for your testosterone? I said, man, I Test Boost Max. That's the only thing I do. I work out, I eat right. I felt the benefits. I mean, at 1100, you feel pretty damn good. Then I stopped taking that. And there wasn't a real reason in my head of why I did. Come to do my blood again, and I was at a 460. I knew it. I could feel it in my workouts. I could feel it in my day. My days were just dragging, and I truly just felt like I was dragging ass. I would go get in a TMS chair just because I knew I was going to drag ass that day, and I hate that. So I would do TMS, and I would get up. I'd work out, and my workouts were just lame. And I was like, this just isn't me. So I went, I got my blood test again. That's when I was at the 460. And I met this team. They're here local to me. I know they're all over the place. Okay. They're Game Day. Not that you have to use Test Boost Max or Game Day or anything like that, but Game Day gave me a prescription, is what I'll call it, of testosterone to me. And I like them because they'll monitor my blood on a monthly basis as well. It's cheap. It's a fair price. It's a wonderful service. The office is awesome. I loved it. You can get your shot there, or they can give them to you to take. What I've noticed is a complete increase in everything I do. TMS is my brain. And I TMS the shit out of my brain to stay peak performance mentally. But when it comes to my body, I am a 44-year-old man. That test was lacking. And putting it in a shot straight in my butt, there's a difference, man. I did like the supplement and taking that on a daily basis. But when I figured the shot out, and currently I do a half dose on Monday. I do a half dose on Thursday, and I last throughout the whole week, and I fire on 12 cylinders now versus the 10 that TMS had me at. And it's amazing. I do feel sharper with the combination of TMS and testosterone. I feel like everything is just right there when I want it. And that's what this journey has been all about, is being the best version of me that I can possibly be. And that's why I wanted to jump on here and share that with you guys. Cause I mean, that's what this channel is all about, is just giving you little pieces that have helped me, and hopefully it helps you. Again, I don't make any money on this channel. I don't make anything with those two companies that I just stated. I know that there's plenty of places that you can go, at least get your test ran, see what levels you're at. If you're under 600 and you're a dude, like you need to look at that. I guarantee you raise that number, you will feel better. You will do better in a day. Not just men. My wife has been on test longer than I have. And I was talking to her before I came in here because she got her shot today too. And I asked her, I said, baby, when you take your shot, do you feel it like immediately? And she's like, baby, I feel amazing right now. And she's kind of been dragging us the last 2 weeks. We went on vacation, and then with the holidays, she just couldn't get over to get her shot. And so she's been dragging ass last 2 weeks. Today, she feels amazing. Testosterone, it's a hormone that's in our body. It's natural, but sometimes we just don't produce it. The older we get, the least it comes. We can take care of these things today. It is on us to do so. If you're not, man, you're missing pieces to life. And I implore you to look into these things because they're beneficial and they will help you in your day. Let's be happy. Let's be healthy. Let's ensure that we're living long and healthy lives. With that, I do ask that you make it a great day out there.